In this video, I'll show you how to schedule a workflow in N8N with the Cron node. First, log into your N8N account and create a new workflow. Next, click Add First Step and search for the Cron node. Now select the Cron node and choose the schedule option you want to use. You can set the workflow to run at a specific interval, such as every hour, every day, or at a specific time. After that, configure the time and frequency settings based on when you want the workflow to run. Next, click the plus button after the Cron node and add the action you want N8N to perform. Configure the action and connect it to the Cron node. Now, click Execute Workflow to test the workflow and make sure the nodes run correctly. After that, save the workflow and give it a clear name. Finally, activate the workflow so N8N can automatically run it according to the schedule you configured. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to schedule a workflow in N8N with the Cron node. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.